Hala, how did you know? Then, how did you know? Sana marinig. Then, hala, how did you know?
Then, dirinig na yung natin.
The day that you came.
Ilalamig na. Parang di ka naman nagbasa ng ulo eh.
Sorry. Talagang yung nakahit na kayo.
You had the most beautiful smile. But I wanted to change and make up each day. Feeling warm.
Kiss nga. Kiss nga. Parang mga debut, parang black and white lang ah. Win! Black and white lang oh. Ang ating debutante ngayong gabing ito, ang dalawang ewan. In my love.
I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life. And so for all of it that I have, I guess I'm really trying to say every day that someone like you comes my way. No one can express how much I love you. How did you know? How did you know? I needed someone like you in my life. That's just understanding in my heart. You feel the right time in my life. Oh, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life. And took all the courage and fear that I guess what I'm really trying to say. Not every day that someone like you comes my way. No one can express how much I love you. By the next song.
Ayoko na. Ano na, binigay ko naman oh. Tutok ka naman. Tutok pa naman yung sabi ni Jason.
Pangalawa yun, Jimmy lang sa'yo. Order tayo nga. Islaman niya.
Stop.